How to add a PDF viewer to Wix. In order to add a PDF viewer, what we can do is we can head over and utilize a third-party application called ElfSite. To this part, just sign up for an account and then search in here for the PDF viewer widget. Let's head over and search in here for PDF, and we have in here this PDF embed. Click onto this, and then onto this part, just use in here a template of how that will look like. I'll just choose in here this embed PDF file. Click onto this template, and then you can have in here a file, or you can also add your own file. So once you're done, it will be created right here. Close this, and you should be able to see it right here already. Click onto this install part, copy this code, and head back to your Wix website. Click onto this plus icon that you can see right there, and onto your quick add, just scroll to the very bottom until you can see this iframe. Attach it right around here. Now, once it's been attached, you should be able to see it right there. Click onto this enter code, then enter in here HTTPS that we have copied. Now, you should be able to see in here the file, and we should be able to view it right there already. So that's how you add a PDF viewer to Wix. Hope we helped.